Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy sewing tool on TEMU for extremely cheap. TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China, and it provides a 90 days return policy. So let's get started. So first of all, we will just come to temu.com, and here we will directly search for sewing tool. So here we have sewing tools. Okay, so here we can see some tools. So these are the tools we can see. So we can just take a look at this tool. Okay, so this tool will cost you a $1.73. Okay, so basically this tool help you to sew your machine. Okay, so like this, sew with your machine. Okay, so you can see some photos, and you can see in the reviews it comes with a great review of 4.7 stars, and we can see some descriptions also. So here we can see the description. It is perfect to your sewing tools, and you can just sew a machine with this, with the clothes. So to buy, you have to click on the add to cart button, then you can click on the buy button, and then you can follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy sewing tool on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money. Thank you for watching.